Hello everyone and thank you for giving your time. So let's get into the product Infinite Crypto. This is the members area of this tool and this is a totally automated software. This is a SaaS based product, software as a service based product. So in this video I will show you the product, each and every options, and I will clear you everything. Okay, so before getting into this product, let me show you that you can click on the video description link to get redirected to this page, and from this page you can get the product with my bonuses. So this product costs approximately 17 bucks and you can purchase the product within that, and you can click on this to get redirected to the sales page, and from there you can purchase the product and you will be available with my bonuses, very big valuable bonuses. So let me show you now this product. Basically, let me clear you firstly, I am not a crypto person. I have no technical knowledge about crypto, but I have little bit knowledge about crypto. Okay, so that is why maybe something wrong. Maybe I will be saying something wrong. So let me just apologize previously. So let me now show you this product. This is the dashboard of this tool, and inside the dashboard there are some cool stuffs like some progress report, some numeric stuffs, like these are the numeric stuffs, and after that the thing is miners. So inside miners you can add miner. This is the most crazy thing inside this tool, I think, and this is the main thing inside this tool. You can put the miner name and you can put the coin code. I don't know exactly what is coin code. So you can put your miner and you can edit your plan also. So no plan yet. So inside the sales you can get your sales stuff. Inside the plans and feature you can get your plans and feature, and also you can edit them. Like these are your plan and feature editable stuffs, like your plan title and miner and your price and your return amount, speed of mining, period, and also some more stuffs like features like descriptions. And the next thing is deposits and withdrawals. So this is also not known to me, like this is the withdrawing stuffs, I don't know exactly. And I think this will be your withdrawing stuffs, like withdrawing money, withdrawing crypto money, and pending crypto money, rejected, approved, successful withdrawals, everything. And inside the payments, the payment gateway, most probably all of the payment gateways are given inside it. And the next thing is report, and the next thing is SEO, like you can do the SEO stuffs also inside this, and put your marketing keyword, put your descriptions, put your social title and also social description, and you can update your SEO stuffs. And this is a support, this is the upgrade feature and bonus and training. So this was the tool, pretty simple for, I think, for cryptocurrency. Maybe I have not cleared you everything because I don't know about crypto and technical stuff. So this was the tool and this costs only 17 bucks. So this product is launching on 6th of June 11 AM EST. The New York morning that has been already launched. I am doing this video later after launching. So guarantee period is 180 days, and these are the descriptions about this tool, and these are the sales funnels, and this is the free bonus, and the real bonus starts from here. Basically I was not aware what kind of bonus should be given with this product. Like I have not gathered so much cryptocurrency bonuses. That is why I am giving you my most generous bonuses. Like inside this bonus I can give you, inside this bonus I can give you all of the stuffs inside any niche, inside make money online also. So that is why I have chosen this bonus pack, this bonus category. Okay, so 50 bonuses will be given to you inside the front end product, and if you purchase any upsell you will be given 300 plus more stuffs, like more software, more plugin, more PLR product, image, music stuffs. That is the thing. Okay, so I am not aware about this. I have showed you the product, the thing, and This is the thing, and my bonus stuffs, you can click on this to get redirected to the sales page and you can purchase the product and you will be available with my bonuses. Just don't forget to click on your purchase history option. From there you will be available with this button named as access affiliate bonus. So that button can redirect you to my bonuses. I am signing out for this video. Bye bye.